Hi guys, for this final video, I just wanted to quickly show you one where you actually aren't given the first and second difference and to just verify whether or not a value table is linear or quadratic, and using that knowledge, being able to find the rule. Okay, so when you're given a value table, you're not always guaranteed it's going to be quadratic or linear, so you've actually got to check. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually find my first difference pattern, and if I need to, I'm going to find my second difference pattern, and then I'm going to find out my rule. So let's do that now. So looking at my value table, I'm going to see what the difference is. So here I'm going to take 5, I'm taking 3, taking 1, I'm adding 1 here, I'm adding 3, and I'm adding 5. Okay. So you can see from here, my first difference pattern is not the same. So I know it's not going to be a linear question. This is a value table that's showing me something that's not linear. So I'm going to check my second difference pattern and see whether or not it's quadratic. So let's have a look. So here I'm adding 2 because -5 and -3, the difference is you're going to add 2. Here I'm going to add 2 again, and look, would you see that they have a second difference pattern that is constant. So this is verification or proof that it's definitely quadratic. So let's try to find the rule now, given that I've checked to see that's quadratic. So it's y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Now I'm going to find a. Now my a is 2a is equal to my second difference pattern. So that means I'm going to have 2a is equal to 2. I'm going to divide by 2 on both sides. So a is equal to 1. So at the moment, I've got y equals 1x squared plus bx plus c. Now, of course, you know that you don't have to put that 1 there if you don't want to. Like, it's kind of like a extra thing. I just wanted to show you that it's there. Okay. So let's now try to find c. C is easy because I actually have to just look at what the number is for what y is when x equals 0. So here I'm highlighting it here. You can see that when x equals 0, y equals 0. Therefore, c is equal to 0. So I've got y equals 1x squared plus bx plus 0. Okay, now I'm going to find b. I'm going to check what my coordinate is when x equals 1, my y equals 1. And I know that a plus b plus c, or my coefficients of all these variables here, or these bits here, are going to equal 1. So I'm going to substitute what I know so far. I'm going to substitute this number in and this number in. So I'm going to go 1 plus b plus 0 is equal to 1. So of course I just basically got 1 plus b here. I'm going to take 1 on both sides, and that cancels out. I'm going to have b equals 0. So at the end of the day, I'm going to have y equals 1x squared plus 0x plus 0, and since this is all 0, this is all cancelled out. So essentially what I've got here is just a very basic x squared quadratic. I hope this was helpful for you. This is the last video of this kind of series here, so please leave any comments if you have any other questions or anything. But yeah, I hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.